Yes, I'm live with it. Close the Janela, Mateus.
Oh, hello, Tata.
Ezikongwe kulubonse mameme. Ezikongwe kulubonse mameme. Ezikongwe kulubonse mameme. Ezikongwe kulubonse mameme. Yerusaleme.
Tata Mpanzu, I still can't hear you. Can you hear me now? Yeah, I still have no audio from you.
Oh, sorry. You can hear me now.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry to you.
No,
sorry
fine.
to anyone watching. Let me say it again. Welcome to Kikongo Language School. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, currently spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tata Makunza Tondele, Wakole Siama. Thank you very much, Brother David. You are alone today.
Yeah, I know. Our brother from Pennsylvania couldn't join us. I saw his message.
Oh, yes. He's busy. He's working today. Okay. Let's see. Let me just try to share my file quickly. Tutondele vamukutala una kwaiti kundako nana vamukungele tutavovila na kwaiti sonika muna Kikongo. Okay, Rata David, I know this is, but you did it, but it's better. I mean, keep going back to same file because it's very important to get it right. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda. Tata David, over to you, please.
Okay. Kiambote, Jambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda.
Well done, well done. Okay, let me try to share the other one, the other file. This one is Yaluvunu. Yeah, Tata David. Let me try to read for you first. Dialuvunu, Diakiese, Dialudi, Diampasi, Diviokele, Dimonekene, please.
Dialavunu, Yakiese, Dialudi, Diampasi, Diviokele, Dimonokene.
Dimonekene. Let me just read the last two are hard. The last two are hard, I know. Diviokele. Dimonekene.
Dimonekene.
Oh, thank you. I think I did translate last time. Luvunu. You know, these are singular. These are prefix. This is prefix. Luvunu. Eli. Kiese. Joy. Ludi, truth. Percy, suffering. Diviokeles, something is passed by. Dimonekene, it appear. Something is appearing. Okay. Let me just go straight to our main lesson.
Okay.
This is lesson 4, section 5, first and second singular object concords, na and G. Pattern, Zolele kuna elo, Zolele ku G, yes. Zolele kunkile elo, Zolele kukila. Tata David. David in Kikongo. Okay, over to you, please.
Okay. Zolele kunkile. Kila is travel for. Okay. Zolele kunkile. Elo. Zolele kukila.
Thank you. Zolele kukile. Elo. Zolele kukila. Remember, first person is always we have a nasal. Zolele kukile. They want to visit me. Elo. Zolele kukila. Zolele kunsadise, please.
Zolele kunsadise. Elo. Zolele kusadisa.
Kusadisa.
Kusadisa. Okay. Once again.
No, kusadisa.
Kusadisa.
Yes. Sorry, it's confusing. Zolele kundonge. Elo. Zolele kulonga. Remember, first person. This is second, you. This is me. First person. Please.
Zolele kundonge. Elo. Zolele kulonga.
Well done. Wow. You need to plan to visit Angola, you know. to practice your Kikongo. You're doing well, reading, very good. Zolele kumbone.
Zolele kumbone. Elo. Zolele kumona. Kumona. Is it kumona or kumona?
Nzolele kumbone. Elo. Nzolele kumona.
Elo. Nzolele kumona.
Let me try to help you. Let me help. Zolele kuntone kene. Elo. Nzolele kusone kena.
Okay. Zolele kusone kene. Elo. Zolele kusone kena.
Well done.
Kusone kena.
Well done. Zolele kundambile. Elo. Nzolele kulambila.
Zolele kunambile. Elo. Zolele kulambila.
Well done. Very good. I mean, you're doing well. I'm proud of you, because as I keep saying, the tonality Kikongo is tonal language, as you know. It is the soul of the language. I mean, you can write it right, you can be well in writing, you can write Kikongo correctly, but if you can't, put the tonality the right one, it loses its meaning. Zole kundambile.
Elo. Zolele kulambila.
Zole kumpivile. Elo. Zole kuvivila. Zole kumpivile. Elo. Zole kuvivila.
Zolele kumpivile. Elo. Zolele kuvivila.
Thank you. Here, it is pivotal to listen, but then there's a nuance of obeying beyond that. You listening, but not just like music here. No. You hear the command in that sense, and obey the command.
So it's with the finger.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. African way, This is waiting. Zole kumpingile. Elo. Zole kuvingila. Please.
Yeah. Zolele kumpingile. Elo. Zolele kuvingila.
Here you have P. Be careful. You have P here. Because the first person, singular, kumpingile, kuvingila. Can you do it again, please?
Yes. Zolele kumpingile. Elo. Zolele kuvingila. So the PH is not like an F sound like in English.
No.
They're separate. Separate.
No, it is. Not me. It's Papa. It is Reverend Makonde and Professor Hezo Carter. I mean, this is just to help. It is phonetic spelling ish. I mean, phonetic spelling to try to illustrate the sound. I should sound. But not in English. Kumpingile. Elo. Nzole kuvingila.
Zolele kumpingile. Elo. Zolele kuvingila.
Although we say Kikongo is a tonal language, there is a catch. There's a catch because different zone, different tone, So really hard to judge, There's a caveat. I mean, it's very hard. You can't say this is no right tone if a native speaking of a different region. You should not say that. Zole kutangile. Elo. Nzolele kutangila. Please.
Zolele kutangile. Elo. Zolele kutangila.
Thank you. Zolele kungindule.
Zolele kungindule. Elo. Zolele kungindula.
Now the pattern is hard. I mean, the almost undefined pattern, because see here you go first. Kungi, of course, this is always there. The N or M for nasal. But see the change here. Kungindule. Then you go back to Kuyindula.
Kuyindula.
Zole kungindule. Elon. Zole kuyindula. Let's move to the next one. Zole kungwe. Remember wa. To listen. I mean, something to listen, to hear. Zole kungwe. Elo. Zole kuwa.
Okay. Zolele kungwe. Elo. Zolele kuwa.
Oh, well done. Wow. Zole kundike. Elo. Zole kudika. It's hard, a bit harder than previous lessons, no?
Yeah. Zolele kundike. Elo. Zolele kudika.
Thank you. Zolele kumfimpe. Don't worry about the P here.
Okay.
Zole kumfimpe.
Zolele kumfimpe. Elo. Zolele kumfimpa.
The fimpa. Zole kundate. Elo. Zole kunata.
Zolele kundate. Elo. Zolele kunata. Should it be kunata? Is it kunata or kunata?
Here, second person did appear. Sorry. Oh, two-tone daily. We're done for today. Thank you very much. Any question, Tata Davidi?
No, I just need to make sure that I have my first person, second person, third person, and so forth.
Yeah.
Memorized. And do some more pronunciation drills on my own material.
You're doing well, no? You're doing well. I mean, the reading, long vowel, very important. Let us just say hello to people who are greeting us. Oh, Tata Tony Sofrimento, Tutondele. Kiambote. Can you translate Tata David? Kiambote Kieno. Can you translate?
Yeah. I'm not sure what Kienu means.
Yeah, you know the E-N. I mean, you're right. You should. Okay, it doesn't matter really, but take the U as O. Remember the positives. Eno, it's Eno. Hello to you.
Yes.
You're okay. Quote unquote.
But how would we say? So Kienu is to all of you, plural.
Or yeah. You second plural. Yes.
Yeah, to you.
He is one of our advisors. See his name scrolling. Can you see the scroll? His name is there.
Yes, on the bottom. Yeah.
That Tony Surumenti, Tata. Before I come here, during the week, as I always say, these are the person that help you guys. These are people beyond Malongi Magi Congo.
Excellent.
Excellent. It's very good, very good. Someone's asking a question. Tata John Sunday. dit quelque chose, vioquele, l'outil dit, c'est-à-dire est passé. Ouais, dit vioquele, ouais. Tu as raison, Tata Jack, c'est correct. He's trying to help us. Zolole, it is writing French. Same thing. Let's translate it to French. Veux-tu que ton délai? Someone. Hello. Okay. His Facebook user. No name. Thank you, Titondele. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Titondele. Wenda kiambo tetata.
Kiambo tesala.
Papi Salomo, William Longa, le coordonnateur, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Kumbu. Philip Kamango. Lemba Masayila. Zotoru Kanu. Keita Kulama. Serge Ndodo na San Diego.
Kinshasa, Kinshasa, Congo.